Hi guys, times like these are tough and we're home a lot, and I created my skincare line, my clean luxury skincare line with rose quartz facial tools so you could create your own facial experience at home. And I'm going to go over today one of my top selling products. This is my Sonic Vibrating Rose Quartz Roller. I love to apply first my daily botanical serum, which I've already done, and then I'll turn this on. You turn it on at the bottom, it's very easy. You don't need to charge or plug it in. It's battery operated and it comes with a battery. And you can hear the sonic vibrations and you can see how luxury and beautiful it is with the craftsmanship. Also, it's a real rose quartz stone, which stays cold naturally. And what I love to do is to sculpt and lift my jawline. As we age, this starts to fall, unfortunately. And we need to do everything we can to lift and sculpt this. This works amazing for that. So what I love to do is start at the jawline, press, hold, and release. Press, hold, and release. And what I'm doing is moving upward toward my cheek. So I'm lifting and sculpting and stimulating all the muscle here and pushing it with the roller to go up, kind of like molding clay. And you do this for a little under a minute each side, and you can see a difference. I'll do this side first, and you can see a difference compared to this side. And it feels really, really good. It's very soothing. The coolness of the stone. Just like this. And up. Now there are 6,000 sonic vibrations per minute. So it's going deep down to your dermis to stimulate collagen synthesis. And it's also stimulating the muscle so you can sculpt. Now I've done it for less than a minute, and I'm going to show you the difference in each side. And imagine doing this for 5 minutes every day to stimulate and lift your skin. And we spend time going to the gym and working out on our bodies, but we need to exercise every muscle in our face and neck the same way to lift and sculpt and to keep it tight and firm. Okay, so now I'm going to show you. This is higher and lifted. This is lower. So in less than a minute, this went up. And this goes down right here. And this is up. So you can see a difference. So just using it for 5 minutes every day over your favorite serum or over your favorite sheet mask, you are sculpting and lifting your face. You can also turn it off and use it as a traditional roller. If you want to do lymphatic drainage, you want to go outwards, and then you want to go below your ear to drain where your lymph node is, so that fluid retention has a place to go. Or you may just want to keep it supercharged and always use it with the battery turned on, and it just gives a whole new experience to rolling. You'll love it. Another thing I love to do is dip it in hot water for 30 seconds, lift up, dry, and then turn it on. And then I have a warm stone. And with the warm stone, that helps to penetrate the serum. So whether it's a sheet mask, penetrating the serum of the sheet mask, or your serum, you're able to penetrate it deeper, and it's very soothing with a warm stone massage. And when you have it cold, the coldness of the stone helps to disperse any blood pooling here where dark circles are, or it helps with the puffiness and the dark circles when you drain below your ear. So cold for puffiness, warm to penetrate products. I hope you love it. This is my Sonic Vibrating Rose Quartz Roller, one of my top tools, and I hope you check it out.